Hey everyone, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, antioxidant-rich smoothie bowl. So to start, we're going to put our very ripe banana in the bottom. That one is not frozen. We'll add in 1 cup of frozen blueberries and 1 cup of frozen strawberries. So the blender I'm using is a Vitamix blender, and it's just a high-speed blender that allows me to blend without having to add any liquid. And I'm going to use this tamper to kind of jam it all down and let the blender run. If you don't have a high-speed blender, then you could also use a food processor, or if you have a regular blender, you could also add a little bit of liquid in there, whether it's plant milk or a little bit of water, to help your blender move, but it will result in your smoothie bowl getting a little bit thinner. I like mine thick, so that's why I don't put anything in it, just the fruit. So we finished our blend, and now it's time to get it in our bowl. You can see it's nice and thick. It's gonna be ready for all those delicious toppings. And now for the fun part, we're gonna top our smoothie bowl. So I like to top my smoothie bowl with lots of granola. This is a homemade granola recipe. If you want the recipe, check out our video on YouTube. Got some raw cacao nibs for another antioxidant hit. Got some coconut flakes. A little bit of chia seeds for the omegas. And then of course, a lovely dollop of nut butter. I like to use almond butter for this. And that's it. Now time for the taste test. So good. You guys have to try this. Well, that wraps up our video for today. If you enjoyed it, please do hit the like button and check out some of our other videos, like our granola video up here and another video down here. And subscribe down here. Until next time, signing off for Offbeat Life. Bye.